What? But Michael, you're a 44-year-old man now. What do you get out of this? What do you get out of this?
He's 4.
Yeah, I'm 4. I love, I think what they get from me, I get from them. I've said it many times, my greatest inspiration comes from kids. Every song I write, every dance I do, all the poetry I write, is all inspired from that level of innocence, that consciousness of purity. And children have that. I see God in the face of children. And I just love being around that all the time.
Hello guys, how are you guys doing? It's been a long time since my last post, but I'm working on a lot of things at the same time, so just bear with me. Soon I will be posting a lot of new videos, new content to help you guys with your ascension towards a higher level of consciousness so that we can create a shift together towards a sustainable free will type of existence. So there is the upcoming moon that's coming. We are gonna be facing with some very, very dense energies from the past. A lot of past things will start resurface. Past energies, both positive and negative memories, will be surfacing for purging and clearance, so that these new energies that the moon are gonna bring allow us to bring even more balance to our consciousness. The idea is to keep the positive energies, positive thoughts and memories, and try to eliminate those negative ones by spending more time in sleep or meditation, no physical movement, in other words, no physical action, not try to have conversations with people who we have specific issues with, or if we do have the ability to speak to them, to try to make amends with them and clear these negative energies from our field of energy. If someone comes into your life all of a sudden from the past, just accept them and show them empathy and unconditional love, understanding that they are merely the cause and effect of others and the behavior of others. Misprogramming within themselves that if we are strong enough that we are able to identify it, we then at that moment possess the responsibility to try to guide them towards a better existence. We all as human beings have the capabilities to communicate amongst each other. We become friends because it's a matter of choice. However, this matter of choice, does it carry any expectations behind it or judgment, or what exactly does it carry with it? Before the new moon, we have to change a specific behavioral pattern that we have been creating for the last couple of months, years of our own existence, which is to carry over traumatic experiences as it being our own responsibility. Unfortunately, it's not. We cannot take this as our own responsibility, because in most cases this is a third-party situation. There's more people involved than just yourself. In other words, the outcome of your intention, which carry the influence of others, if the cause and effect was a negative one, then we are not responsible for it. because there's many variables, many people, many souls involved into this intention. So I hope this message help you understand a little bit what's happening and what's coming. There's still a few days left to make amends on these things, and if you believe in energy, then you will believe that maybe it's time to start paying attention to these small little details, which has actually one of the biggest impacts in our lives. I thank you very much, and I wish you guys a blessed week and a full week of rest and into mindfulness within each other, and spend time with those who give us positive energies, and the ones who give us negative energies, we tell them that we will speak to them later during the week or whenever our soul feels they're ready. Namaste, be blessed, and much positivity and light to you all. We're going towards a very, very great direction. I can feel it. Mother Earth is very happy with the progress that is being made by the souls who are being awoken. And I think that after this moon we can then enter into the third stage of the Operation Uplift of Humanity. And soon I will announce a little bit more about this. Thank you, and I hope to hear your comments about your feelings and what you're feeling about this specific message and the information that I provided. And I hope that we can start collaborating with each other. So far I see a lot of people visiting my my channel, but not many people are commenting. So in other words, I don't know how you guys are feeling about this information, and give me some feedback so I can perfect and get better at my ways of communicating with you, and we can work together. Bye bye, peace.